Hello everyone, let's dive with Ethereum price on the all-time history before we dive in the micro level next. So we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. A large impulse as a wave 1 or a wave A for Ethereum, meaning of course the direction of the market still toward the upside, followed by a three waves a corrective. Now we were looking for something impulsive to continue for a new all-time high, but this did not happen for Ethereum. It made a three waves toward the upside here before diving deeper in another three waves, taking the zone one in case we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Invalidation already given since a very long time, turning this into a corrective wave, three waves in a potential wave X, and followed by another three waves in a potential wave Y, making this a W, an X, and a wave Y as a truncated and starting an impulse toward the upside here as a wave 1. Currently, we are in a wave 2, which it might still be unfolding or unfinished. We'll see exactly what's going on inside this area. Now, if we dive inside it on the 4 hours chart, we can see that this area after the wave 1 here, that it might be as double 1, 2, and then followed by a wave 3 here, and then 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Finished wave 1 as an impulse, a potential wave 1, of course, for a potential impulse as a wave 3 unfolding after this massive correction and a complex structure, which it can be in two forms here, where you are in a potential wave A as a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a wave B in three ways, and currently you're looking at 1, 2, 3, and another wave 4 and a wave 5 that it might still be unfolding for one more low here to reach a lower prices. Now, the other phase that we have for this correction as a complex structure can be a W and X here, and a wave Y finished over here with this low, meaning three ways down, three ways up, and then, sorry, three ways up, and then three ways down. Finished wave Y, and we're looking for something toward the upside, starting with this structure. We're going to see it on the 1 hour chart even, where we might be in a 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expanding a diagonal here, another wave 1 there, meaning double 1, 2, and we might be in a massive wave 3 towards the higher prices. This is a bullish scenario, I would say, unfolding as a 1, 2, 1, 2, and a wave 3 given here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're looking for a wave 4 and a 5. We're going to dive even much more deeper on the 15-minute chart. But before doing this, let me explain the bearish scenario where you might have a three waves towards the upside, a finished correction, and you're looking here for something towards lower prices. However, the probability start to reduce once we took, of course, the invalidation of these double 1, 2. These double 1, 2 were supposed to unfold a wave 5, which is right now very low possibility, turning this three waves corrective into a potential wave A, looking at a wave B, wave C, wave D, and an E, and then pushing toward the downside by all means. That this wave 4, rather than finished in a three waves, it might be finished in a triangle, and then looking after all for a wave 5 toward the downside again. Now let's dive inside this area here where we are looking for a potential 1, 2 here. Now, if you want to read this as a wave 1, well, it's very unlikely to be here in a potential 1, 2, honestly, but yeah, it's still looking like kind of like a three waves. However, if we want to take it as a 1, 2, you have to consider it as an A, then wave B, and a wave C running flat as a wave 2, and then having a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which I doubt it as well, because this wave 4 somehow interfere with the zone 1, even if only with the wicks, yeah, the wicks from this correction and this one. I start to doubt it somehow, but anyway, it has give us a new high given here, of course, for this potential scenario. But I'm still looking for a potential ABC at the end. Don't forget that this can still be kind of like an ABC finished over there, and we're looking for something toward the downside, which is the triangle scenario that I just explained before right now. So we gotta be careful with this. I would say even not ABC can be even a kind of like a W X and a wave Y here for a wave C in this triangle, meaning an A, B, and a C, D, and a E, and then pushing towards the downside, guys. Yep, so this is regarding Ethereum right now. My highest probability, and since we got on the 15-minute chart here, and impulse downward. And as we can see, a very clear wave 3 after double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5, that means the direction of the market is pushing downward again. And we might see a zigzag here or a WX and a Y for a wave D before pushing for higher in a wave E and continuation for a very massive wave 5 downward. That was it for Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.